Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, today we're going to have a look on this nice lock from the company CES. It's a German company. And yeah, look at this keyway. The model is WM5. It's a 5-pin dimple lock. I don't have a key. And this was sent to me by a good friend, German picker, Hunson. He sent me a bunch of locks and we traded back and forth. And this is one he just sent to me afterwards. So yeah, let's get it in a vise and then hopefully I can show you the insides. I already removed the C-clip because this is one of the nasty chest C-clips, which is a ring, so you cannot easily remove it if this is still completely installed, but this was cut already. I mean, the W row was cut, so I could pry this off. So let's get it in the vise and see you back in a second. So here we are back in the vise. I'll be using this dimple tensioner here. And then, yeah, the keyway is so nasty. I will tension it on the right side and also pick it on the right side of the pins. So let's see how this goes. Quite a steep angle today, but let's see. So nothing. Wait a second. Am I correctly in with the tensioner? Yeah, I think so. So rather heavy tension. Nothing on tooth binding. Let's leave it here for now. Nothing on 3, 4, 5 is binding. Okay, small click. Nothing on 4. Something on 3, but no click or so. Okay, I think I got 1, 2 should be set. I think unfortunately 3 is overset. Nope. Okay, we got the open. Nice. Okay. So let's quickly get this. Okay, I just felt something drop. Oh no. Oh no. Do you see that? Classic fumbler. Oh no. Okay, so if you look on, yeah, this is the side of the core with the pins, the key pins, and you see how much you have to lift them. And we have spools in chamber 2 and 4, and they're of course not effective with that bitting. They would be in chamber 3, so I probably will change that and pick it again. And yeah, we'll let you know in a pinned comment if the difficulty changed. What would be in 5? It's 5. Yeah, not active as well. So yeah, let's get the key pins out and then we have a look on the rest of the core. Okay, here on the opposing side of the key pins we have the key control elements, which are filled with these. So I just go in here. Oh, come on. It's super magnetic. So they just sit in here. And if you insert the wrong key, they will stick out and then push out the sidebar here. This is on the side of the keyway. There's another sidebar. Okay. Sidebar just looks like this, just a rod of metal. Nothing special. And here you can see the key controls and still installed. They will look the same as on the top. And they will also come out. You see them. They did have different length. Interesting. Let's dump them out quickly. Okay. So top pins have different length than side pins for key control. Yeah, but nothing special. Yeah, once again, unfortunate bitting makes these security pins here in chambers 2 and 4 ineffective. So yeah, sad to see, but yeah, not a difficult pick then. And interesting that the key pins look like this. These steps and this very tiny tip that interacts with the key. Interesting to see. Looks a bit fragile, but they were magnetic, so they're probably made of steel. So also nice for anti-drill. So I don't know about this lock. Not too tough to pick, but yeah, might be good lock in a door. I'm not so sure. Might be just again unfortunate bitting in this one. Okay, who's still here? Thank you very much for watching, and Hunson, thanks again for this lock. You can't do anything for the bitting. It is how it is. We get these locks as they come. So thanks everybody, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!